Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the JSON. Okay, what is JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation and is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. Okay, within the modern world, web application world, we widely use this JSON to pass information server to server, application to application. Likewise, we use JSON because within the JSON we can pass data very structured way. As an example, we can say token-based authentication system. We use JSON format and it is really structured way. And also when it's come to API development, API communication, we use JSON. JSON is really important thing within the modern web-based application world. Let's jump into the code example to understand what is JSON and why so important JSON. Let's go to the code example. Okay, when it's come to PHP, we can with the JSON we have two main JSON methods: JSON encode and JSON decode. These are the two methods we use within the PHP codings. Let's with using these two methods, let's try some examples. Here I will create array call age equal to array, let's say Ben his age is 27, and let's say Sam age is 33. Let's say Joe Joy, let's say age is 36. Likewise, we have associative array, and let's create a JSON object using this array. JSON using object using this array. Echo. Let's echo JSON encode. Can put array age. Okay. Let's check with the browser. Let's go to the browser and let's localhost 8000. Oops. Think. Okay, PHP $s localhost 8000. Let's go to the browser. Yes, you can see it will create the JSON. Uh, that's how JSON encodes work. Let's try to another example. Let's try with the indexed array, a simple array. Let's array. Let's say car equal to array. Say BMW, and second one say to, Toyota. Third one is Volvo. Okay, this is our index array. Let's try that. It will try to convert to JSON. The same way we can call the JSON encode. Let's echo here something. Otherwise, okay. Let's say here also we need. Yep. Here also we need the BR. Let's uh, let's run this code. Okay, as you can see, it will return uh, associative array and index array both convert to JSON format. Let's try with the JSON decode. Let's go to get this example, copy this example, and let's go to here and echo br, br, and let's do let's create a $json object equal to this object. Okay, let's decode this because this is an object, then we need to dump. Let's say JSON decode $json object. Here now, if we check browser output, yeah, we can see JSON output comes like this. We can access this variable, this object properties like this. Let's say echo echo br br. Okay, let's say we need to access. Let's copy this first. Copy this and let's put into JSON object equal to this. Then we can access its properties like this. Um, actually, that means not property, actually variable values like this. Let's say we need to get the Ben's age, then we can say like this. We can access its property. Um, like we can access other properties as well if we need it. Echo br, like let's say joy. Okay, now let's go to the browser and check the result. Yeah, joy is capital. Okay, as you can see, we can access its properties using it will really easy to access its properties, property values, and let's try to decode this as an array, because this is as an object. We can decode this as an array. Let's do that as well. Let's say dollar j array equal to JSON decode. Let's say our example is this one. Right. Let's copy this. Uh, I'm using this JSON object, JSON. Let's dollar with supplying with the true, we can get this as an array. Here, if we go with the, let's say, echo, let's print dollar array. Let's value is let's print a message. Um, okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go to the browser. As you can see, here we access this as an array. That means we decode this using with the true, then it's return result as an array. We can get this decode as an array. It is actually we can loop that mean, because if we can loop this array object, that mean that this object to array we can loop through the elements, yeah, and also those are the prime basic idea behind of this JSON format. If you talk about JSON format, as you can see, this is the format, and also I will show you some example. Here I have example. Here this API return JWT token. This is also let's if we decode this, let's say JWT token JWTIO. Let's view this information. Here this if we put, you can see it will also keep the it will also keep the structure the information using JSON format. Likewise, to communicate with the servers, we use JSON request actually. It is really important to have knowledge about the JSON. Here I'm only cover the basic example because this is a basic tutorial. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this video and I think it's helpful. Let's meet with the next video. Thank you very much for watching my videos.